The simple past. The simple past. Structure. Subject, verb in past, complement, time expression. This is the structure for simple past. We have the subjects I, you, we, they, he, she, it. The next thing to write is the verb in past. Okay, the verb in past is here. This is the verb we should resort. Those are the verbs we should use in this tense. Okay, let's go on. After the verb in past, we should write extra information, a complement. The complement is any extra information. And finally, we must write a time expression such as yesterday, last Monday, last year, 2 weeks ago, 3 hours ago, last Sunday night. Let's check the examples. Example number 1. Luis recorded a new video yesterday. Luis recorded a new video yesterday. Number 2. The girl crashed the car 2 minutes ago. The girl crashed the car 2 minutes ago. Example number 3. The police arrested the boy last week. The police arrested the boy last week. Last example. The president made great mistakes last month. The president made great mistakes last month. He didn't make great America. He made great mistakes. Well, my dear friends, if you want to know more about English, look for me as Alpidio Paricio on YouTube. Don't forget to like the videos, leave your comments, share the videos, and click in this area to watch the next video. See you later.